Sitting on the banks of the Tungabhadra river, Hampi is tucked on the corner of the Ballari district, making it convenient for a quick getaway from the nearest metro city of Bangalore. Traveling from Bangalore to Hampi by car. The road from Bangalore to Hampi lets you slowly escaping from the city into pure nature. The route passes through suburbs and small towns of Tamil Nadu and into the quieter and greener locales, with fascinating nature and tourist spots along the way. With our completely customizable Bangalore to Hampi trip packages, you can stop at any of these places and do a quick sightseeing. Popular routes from Bangalore to Hampi: Route 1, distance and time taken from Bangalore to Hampi via NH48 or. This is the shortest and the best route to travel between Bangalore and Hampi. It is also the fastest, because the Bangalore to Hampi traffic on this route is regular and there are no road closures. The distance between Bangalore and Hampi on this route is somewhere around 350 km and takes less than 6 hours. To ensure a stress-free and memorable trip from Bangalore to Hampi, consider booking a cab in Bangalore and enjoy the sights and sounds of the city. Always check live maps and instant traffic updates for the latest information on Bangalore to Hampi road conditions. Here's the basic route map from Bangalore to Hampi. Bangalore, Tumakuru, Hiriyur, Chitradurga, Kudligi, Hampi. Popular sites, monuments that you will encounter along this route. Nijagal Betta, Nijagal rolling hills formed of solid sandstone rocks, surrounded by greenery and wide meadows, good for a quick trek. Chitradurga Fort, Chitradurga, large historical fort on the base of rocky hills with many doors and carvings at the main entrance. Murugha Mata, Chitradurga, a local museum and art center, housing creative installations and a park. Tungabhadra Dam and Garden, Hosapete, famous local dam on the Tungabhadra river, with catchment area and gardens for relaxing, great for views. Places to eat along this route. Prithvi Veg Restaurant, Tumakuru, vegetarian North Indian fare served alongside Chinese staples in a family-friendly, rustic setting, kid and family-friendly. Reddy Military Hotel, Chitradurga, Army canteen serving lunch plates and standard meals at subsidized rates. Route 2, distance and time taken from Bangalore to Hampi via Bangalore, Hyderabad HWY, Srinagar, Kanyakumari HWY. This is a longer route to travel from Bangalore to Hampi than the previous one and also takes a little more time. Also, the road conditions on this route are variable. The distance from Bangalore to Hampi on this route is around 370 km and takes a little over 7 hours. To avoid road closures, always check for latest updates and follow a live map when traveling to get best idea of Bangalore to Hampi road conditions. Here's the basic route map from Bangalore to Hampi: Bangalore, Chikkaballapur, Penukonda, Anantapur, Ballari, Hampi. Some of the places to visit Hampi are as followed. Virupaksha Temple, Vittala Temple, Hampi Bazaar, Lotus Palace, Elephant Stables, Matanga Hill, Tungabhadra River. Hazara Rama Temple. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this and don't forget to press bell icon for latest update.